Hey, this is Dan. Welcome back to Real Men Coupon. Today I had to make a real quick run to Walgreens. I had $4 in register rewards, two different $2 register rewards that I need to get rid of. They expired today. So while I was there, I went ahead and did a little shopping trip. It wasn't nothing major, but it was definitely fun. So I wanted to get a couple of these deals before they went away. That's about all they had this week at Walgreens. Tomorrow they're actually going to have some good deals, and tonight hopefully I will get up a video for Walgreens tomorrow and what I'm going to do, but hopefully. No promises yet, but hopefully I'll get that done. First off, I got the Nighttime Cold and Cough, and they're on for $4.99, and you get back a $5 register reward, so it makes them essentially free. So on my first transaction, I came into the store today with two different $2 register rewards. So for transaction number one, I got this, and the subtotal, or that total with tax on this was $1.49. Since I had two register rewards, one actually attached to the Nighttime Cold and Cough, and the other register reward had to have something to go with it. So anyway, I got the 10 cents little booklet, the student planner, out of the clearance bin. So 10 cents is a great filler. Anyway, the total on transaction one is $1.49 is what I spent, and I got back a $5 register reward off of the Nighttime Cold and Cough. So I took that Nighttime Cold and Cough and I rolled that over into my next transaction, and I got the Blistex, which was on sale for $2, and you got a $2 register reward back. And the Optic White is the Colgate. Anyway, it's on sale right now for $3.99, and you get back a $2 register reward. I also had a $1.50 off one coupon, so I went ahead and picked that up. And then also on the clearance rack, you notice these Vicks 44 or the Vicks Custom Cares or whatever, they were on the clearance. I don't know if you can see that or not. They're $2.60 and $2.10 a piece. So I had a coupon for $3 off of two Vicks products. So that actually made them a really good deal. Those are generally about $5 a piece. So I basically picked them up for less than $1 a piece. So anyway, on this transaction, I used the $5 register reward that I picked up from the Nighttime Cold and Cough, and I used it on this one. And the subtotal, or actually the total with tax on this one, with the cough syrup on there, was $2.57, and I got back $4 in register rewards. $2 from the Blistex and $2 from the Colgate. So I took those $4 in register rewards and I rolled those over onto the Nighttime Cold and Cough again, and it was $5. And since I had two register rewards from this transaction, I had to have two items. So I picked up a filler that's on the clearance rack, and this is Australian raspberry licorice. Anyway, they're 50 cents, so I figured the kids would eat those up. And the total with tax on this one was $1.49. So I got back a $5 register reward. I turned that over and did this transaction one more time, and the total with tax on this was $1.50. These two are a little bit cheaper. I think both of these are $2.10 a piece, so it ended up being a little bit cheaper than transaction two. But I got back $4 in register rewards, two from the Blistex and two from the Colgate. And I wanted to pick up a couple more of the Vicks products, the Dayquil and the Custom Care. So I went ahead and got a couple more at $1 a piece. You can't beat it. That's a great stock up price, and it's going to be into cold and flu season, so those are awesome to have. And I had to have one more filler, or not a filler, but not a filler, but I had to get it up over my total of $2. So anyway, I got the 50-cent licorice, and the total on this one was 57 cents with all three of those. And so I still got $2 in register rewards back from all of this. So anyway, not a bad little trip. I'll give you a quick breakdown of what I got today. My total out of pocket was $7.62, and that's tax included. It retailed for $49, everything that I got, for an 85% savings. Not bad for a little quick spur of the moment run to Walgreens. I had to get rid of those two register rewards before they expired, but anyway, that's it for now. And like I say, tonight, hopefully I will have a video up about what I'm going to do tomorrow at Walgreens. Like my dirty table. Anyway, hopefully I'll get that up tonight. And don't forget, if you haven't seen it yet, I have a giveaway going on right now. So go to my channel and click on the giveaway, and all you got to do is write "Enter Me" on the giveaway. So make sure you do that on my YouTube video. So anyway, that's it for right now, guys. Hopefully I'll talk to you guys tonight. Thanks, and happy couponing.